Welcome back everybody. Jacob Gilbert here, and today I'm going to be going over my updated everyday carry, and also back in around, I'd have to say December, I did a video on my everyday carry. YouTube didn't like it, had a knife in it, it took it down. So YouTube, none of this is used for violence, this is used for work. Main purpose is work / possible self-protection. So now that we got that out of the way, let's start off with everything we've got here. So this varies on areas I'd be in, obviously. Starting off, right here, got my wallet. You know, this is pretty basic. I carry this almost everywhere with me. It's got my money. It's got cards I need in there. Grab some pictures, some sorts, IDs, anything else I need, basically. So that's what's in here. It's got a copier country sticker. The company is Beverly Hills Polo Club. I didn't buy a specific, just a leather wallet. Pretty nice. So, anyways, next up here is a pair of AirPods, Apple AirPods. This is just a normal version. These are handy, you know, we want to listen to music, phone calls, etc. That's what I mainly use these for. Just listening to music, whatever, on the bus, car, on your way to a fire, you know, anything. Well, on wildfire, not structure, obviously. Right here I have this bandana / cloth. Now, I don't want to use this as a way to stop blood. That's only if I have to. You could use this as a mask, you can put it on your head as a bandana, wildfires, whatever. That's what this is for. Handkerchief, whatever you'd like to call it, really. So, put that back there. Right here we have the Gerber Trust Multi-Tool, which I mainly carry in my Wildland Fire Pack / Survival Pack. That's a multi-tool I got for that. And I will be carrying this as well until I get the Gerber Bladeless Multi-Tool MP600, I believe. So once I get that, then I'll put this directly back in the Wildland Fire bag. Till then, you know, I'm going to stick with this as well. Right here is Old Reliable. Oh no, I'm getting bad at it. It's just my sock. Traction Tonto. Same old blade I've been carrying forever. Yeah, pretty much forever. So anyways, there's that. Right here I've got the Pelican 2360, 2360, whatever you want to call it. Now this has got a clip on right here, put on my belt, put on my pocket, anything. Nice LEDs. It's great. So carry that with me as well. Right here I have the Time Expedition WR. This is the 50M or 50 meter. I just got this guy the other day, actually. It's electric, but it's got one of the Time Expedition watch batteries, and it's good. It's really good. I got it set up, everything. So yeah, been carrying that. Time Expedition is the only watch brand that I actually like. Had this Time Expedition watch for around 5 years. That battery still works, and it's still ticking at normal time. Yes, I'm filming this at like 10:15 at night, late nights. Anyways, so of course there's that. So moving on. For example, you know, when I get the MP600 Bladeless Multi-Tool by Gerber, that's something I can have at school / airports. But for example, let's say we're going to school. Let's look at this. First off, obviously, gotta say goodbye to the SOG. The blade, sharp knife, not loud, of course. Now this here, as well. Multi-tool because it has blades on it. Some nice blade too. So that will go. And that brings us down to this. Now of course I'll have my watch. Now this, I'm in between. May not, but it's unlikely that I'm going to be carrying this around on my belt during school hours. Maybe in my backpack. But for now, I'm just going to move this aside. So, this now brings us down to these. So, instead of making a separate part on this, my everyday carry to school looks like this. Wallet, bandana, AirPods, and my watch. So guys, that's going to be today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I haven't been making a lot of videos recently, just been really busy, wildfire training, etc. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one, and take care.